Hello, motherfuckers. Today we are gonna learn how to drive a scooter. First up, you are gonna have to get a scooter before you can fucking drive it, you little ass. And then you're gonna take one of your legs and step it on the fucking platform. Yeah? Yes. And then you fucking slick you rundt om munden. And then you take one of your hands and lay it on the handle. And then you take your other hand and lay it on the other handle. And then you will just gonna scream, hi, hi, hi. And then you are gonna take the leg that is not on the platform and push yourself around. Now he is fucking driving, so look, you motherfuckers. See how he is doing that? So now you guys are just gonna learn how to do that. So bye-bye and try yourself. And remember to not have a helmet on. Hi, hi.